Welcome to our detailed comparison of the top 3 HD-ready smart TVs under $10,000. If you're looking for a budget-friendly smart TV, we've picked 3 of the best options: the TCL 32L4B, VW32F5, and Kodak 32SE Fowser 1BL. We'll go over their pros and cons to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. Links are in the description. TCL 79.97 means semi-metallic bezel-less HD ready smart Android T2L4B. TCL is a well-known brand, and the 32L4B model brings a metallic bezel-less design with HD-ready resolution and Android TV support. It costs $8,999. Pros: bezel-less design. The metallic frame and bezel-less design make it look premium. Android US official Android TV with access to Google Play Store, YouTube, Netflix, and more. Good picture quality. HDR10 support improves contrast and colors. Multiple connectivity options, 2 HDMI and 1 USB port for versatile use. Built-in Chromecast, easily cast content from your smartphone to your TV. Decent audio performance, 20-watt speakers with Dolby Audio provide clear sound. Cons: not full 867x68p resolution is lower than Full HD. Average refresh rate. The 60 Hz refresh rate is decent but not the smoothest for gaming. Limited storage. 8GB internal storage might fill up quickly with apps. Overall, TCL 32L4B is a solid choice if you want an Android TV with great design and HDR support at this price range, for the price of $89.90. VW 80 cm, 32 inches, Playwall Frameless Series HD Ready Android Smart LED TV 32F5. VW offers an affordable Android TV with a frameless design and HD Ready LED panel, competing closely with TCL. It costs $7,777. Pros: frameless design gives a modern, sleek look and better screen-to-body ratio. Smart features: comes with Android OS and access to Google Play apps. Multiple ports. 2 HDMI and 2 USB ports allow flexibility for devices. Affordable, one of the cheapest smart TVs with Android support. Energy efficient, consumes less power compared to competitors. Cons: lower build quality, plastic body not as premium as TCL's metal frame. Limited app support. Some apps like Netflix and Amazon Prime may need external installation. Mediocre sound. 16-watt speakers lack bass and clarity. No HDR support. The picture quality is decent but lacks HDR enhancements. If you want an affordable smart TV with frameless aesthetics, the VW32F5 is a great value pick but lacks premium build-in HDR for the price of $7,777. Kodak 80 cm, 32 inches Special Edition Series HD Ready Smart LED TV Fowser 1BL. Kodak's 32SE 1BL is a budget-friendly smart LED TV that offers a decent mix of performance, features, and affordability. It costs $79.99. Pros: decent picture quality, delivers HD-ready clarity with bright colors. Smart TV capabilities, runs on Kodak's custom Linux OS with pre-installed apps like YouTube, Netflix, and Prime Video. Built-in sound boost. 24-watt speakers give better audio than both TCL and VW. Smooth interface. The user interface is simple and lightweight, leading to faster performance. Value for money. One of the cheapest 32-inch smart TVs with good picture and audio. Not Android TV, runs on custom OS instead of Android TV, meaning fewer apps. No display, lacks dynamic contrast and depth. Limited updates. Software updates are less frequent compared to Android TVs. Basic remote. No voice assistant support like TCL's remote. Kodak 32SE 1BL is a solid budget option if you prioritize sound quality and ease of use but can compromise on smart features. For the price of $7,999. Thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button for more interesting products. Bye.